Transform your business dreams into a global reality by opening a Shopify store and speaking directly to your Amharic-speaking customers. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to launch your very own Shopify store with Amharic language support, opening doors to a worldwide audience eager for your products. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button to begin your journey. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a name for your online store. Make this name memorable and relevant to your brand. Shopify will then ask a few questions about your business to help tailor your experience. Simply answer these prompts to move forward. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard here. We'll focus on the online store section to customize your store's look and feel. Click on Themes to explore a wide range of beautifully designed templates. Choose one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Now, let's personalize your store. You can upload your logo, select your brand colors, and arrange sections on your homepage to create an engaging shopping experience. Next, create essential pages like About Us and Contact Us. This is where you can share your story and build trust with your customers. It's time to add your products. Click Add Product and fill in all the necessary details, including compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Now for the crucial step, enabling Amharic. Go to Settings in your admin dashboard. Then click on Languages. Click Add Language and search for Amharic. Select it and hit Add to integrate the language into your store. You can now translate your store's content into Amharic. Shopify offers a helpful interface to modify product titles, descriptions, so your Amharic-speaking customers feel right at home. Don't forget to customize your navigation menus to ensure a smooth browsing experience for all your visitors. And there you have it. Why you're your very own Shopify store, ready to connect with Amharic speakers worldwide. Congratulations on taking this exciting step towards e-commerce success.